Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do DoorDash and Uber Eats at the same time. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so doing DoorDash and Uber Eats simultaneously, also known as a multi-apping, it can be managed effectively with some organization and planning. And I've compiled a list of about 7 different steps to be successful at this. So the first one here is manage your schedule. So check the busy times for both platforms and plan your shifts accordingly to maximize your earning potential. And from there, set up your app. So have both the DoorDash and Uber Eats apps installed on your phone. Make sure you're logged into both platforms simultaneously and know your locations. So be aware of the delivery zones and hotspots for each platform. This helps you plan routes efficiently and minimize downtime. And when you receive orders from both platforms simultaneously, evaluate them based on distance, payout, and delivery time. Prioritize orders that align best with your location and schedule. And also keep customers informed if there are any delays due to multiple orders. Communication helps manage expectations and maintain a positive rating. And use navigation tools. So utilize navigation apps to efficiently navigate between delivery locations and just stay organized. Keep track of earnings, expenses, and time spent on deliveries to optimize your efforts. And remember, managing multiple delivery apps require attention to detail and quick decision making to ensure a smooth experience for both you and the customers.